Picture this: you're enjoying a beautiful day at the park with your friends. They are completely unbothered, laughing and chatting. Meanwhile, your legs are covered in a constellation of itchy mosquito bites. Sound familiar? Your grandmother might lean over and tell you, "Oh, it's because you have sweet blood." This is a comforting thought, a whimsical explanation for an irritating problem. But is there any truth to this age-old saying? The truth is, mosquitoes don't have taste buds for sweetness in blood. They're not connoisseurs of your glucose levels. So, no matter how much sugar you consume, or how many vitamin B supplements or garlic cloves you eat, you won't become invisible to them. For mosquitoes, you're not a sweet treat. You are, in essence, a giant, irresistible perfume bottle emitting a complex array of chemical signals that they simply cannot ignore. It's all about what you're naturally broadcasting to the world. So, if it's not sweet blood, what is it? Our journey into the world of mosquito attraction begins with their incredibly sophisticated sensory organs. These tiny creatures possess a remarkable ability to detect us from afar. Mosquitoes use an organ called the maxillary palp, which is essentially a super smeller. This specialized sensor allows them to sniff out carbon dioxide, a key indicator of where a potential blood meal might be located. Their CO2 radar is incredibly powerful. A mosquito can detect the plumes of carbon dioxide we exhale from as far away as 50 meters, which is roughly half a football field. It's their primary beacon for finding us. So, who are the biggest CO2 emitters? Generally, individuals with larger body masses exhale more carbon dioxide. This simple fact puts bigger people at a slight disadvantage when it comes to mosquito avoidance. Pregnant women also fall into this category. Studies show they exhale about 21% more carbon dioxide than non-pregnant women. This makes them significantly more attractive to mosquitoes, adding another layer to their discomfort. And if you've just finished a vigorous workout, you're practically ringing the dinner bell for mosquitoes. Heavy, rapid breathing after exercise means you're expelling a lot more CO2, making you an easy target. In the eyes of a mosquito, someone exhaling a lot of CO2 is like a radiant lighthouse in the dead of night. They'll home in on that signal first, making a beeline directly for the source, almost guaranteed. Beyond CO2, there's another fascinating factor: your blood type. Scientific research has consistently shown a strong preference among mosquitoes for certain blood groups. It's a key determinant in their dinner selection process. Tests reveal that mosquitoes land on individuals with type O blood nearly twice as often as those with type A. Type B individuals fall somewhere in the middle, experiencing moderate attraction. It's a clear preference. Why type O? It's believed that type O blood contains specific proteins that mosquitoes crave. These proteins are essential nutrients for female mosquitoes, helping them to develop and nourish their eggs effectively. Roughly 85% of people are secretors, meaning they excrete a chemical signal through their skin that tells the world what blood type they are. This signal acts as a biochemical billboard for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes simply read these signals. If you're a type O secretor, you're essentially wearing a giant sign that says, "Delicious meal here." It's a direct invitation that they're hardwired to accept. Moving on to another critical factor: the tiny, invisible world thriving on your skin. Your skin isn't just a surface, it's a bustling tropical rainforest, home to billions of bacteria and microorganisms that create your unique scent. The specific combination and quantity of these bacteria are unique to each individual, like a fingerprint. This unique microbiome generates a distinct body odor, which mosquitoes are incredibly sensitive to. Some profiles are more attractive than others. Individuals with higher quantities of certain bacterial species, such as Staphylococcus or Pseudomonas, on their skin often find themselves to be prime targets. These bacteria produce compounds that mosquitoes find highly appealing. Then there's sweat. When you exert yourself, your body releases sweat containing various compounds. One of the most significant for mosquitoes is lactic acid, a byproduct of muscle activity. Beyond lactic acid, sweat also contains other mosquito attractants like uric acid and ammonia. These chemical signals combine to create a potent cocktail that mosquitoes can detect from a considerable distance. To a mosquito, the scent of sweat, rich in these compounds, is akin to the tantalizing aroma of grilled meat to a hungry human. It's an unmistakable signal that a nourishing meal is available, fresh, and ready. So, what can you do? You can't change your blood type, and you certainly can't stop breathing. These are fundamental biological traits that make you uniquely you, and unfortunately, uniquely attractive to mosquitoes. However, you can manage some factors. A practical step is to shower thoroughly immediately after sweating. This helps wash away the lactic acid in some of the skin bacteria that mosquitoes find so irresistible. Another effective defense is using insect repellents containing active ingredients like DEET or picaridin. These chemicals disrupt the mosquito's ability to detect your attractive chemical signals, making you invisible to them. Ultimately, some of us are just naturally more appealing to mosquitoes than others. It's not a flaw, but a complex interplay of biology, genetics, and temporary environmental factors. It's just how nature works. So, next time you're covered in bites while your friends are spared, remember it's not sweet blood but a sophisticated blend of CO2, blood type signals, and your unique skin microbiome at play. Embrace the science, take preventative measures, and perhaps even accept your unique fatal attraction to the insect world. At least now you know the real reasons behind your mosquito magnet status. From the volume of your breath to the invisible signals on your skin, every aspect contributes. Understanding these factors empowers you to better protect yourself, or at least understand why you're always the target. It's a testament to the incredible sensory abilities of these tiny creatures and the complex chemical language of our own bodies. The mystery solved, the bites remain a minor nuisance.